Everyone, welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a user account. You should create password, you should change account type, you should delete account, you should manage another account. But today I'm going to show you how to delete a user account from your computer, Windows 11 or Windows 10. So welcome, let's start. So now in Windows, press Windows button and type control panel, yes, and open it. After open it, you click on user account, click on user account, and then after click on user account also again click on user account, yes. After click on user account, click on manage another account. After click on manage another account, confirm, and then you see your user account. Choose your user. Do you want to delete? Select user. Do you want to delete? Then after selecting, you will see the many changes you should do. Change your name, you should create a new password, you should change account type like a standard or administrator account, you should delete, you should manage another account. What you want to delete account. Yes, then they ask us, do you want to keep official files before I delete official account? Official, this is my name. Windows can automatically save the content of official desktop and document, favorite, music, pictures, and videos folder to new folder called official on your desktop. Means that if I delete and keep, click on keep, I will find the folder desktop called here of Ubalde files. But if I click on delete file, I will not keep anything. Yes, click on keep file as for backup. Yes, as for backup. After click here, then I confirm here by clicking on delete account. Delete what? Delete account. Delete account. Wait until finish to do what? To delete account. You see here some they are telling us it is the in progress. Yes, progress. Delete. Now you see here some file called LTE. Yes. Now is our file have been deleted. Our username, our user have been deleted. This is the file. This the user files here, as they told us before deleting, and this is our user. You should get anything. This is the delete, but also you should delete completely. Full completely. Yes, it needs to contain like 2 GB size. It is a large files. This is also with delete. It is moving from my computer to recycle bin. This is the easiest way to delete user. So let's meet in the next video, but please like on this video, subscribe my YouTube channel to get skills and technology for every day, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, God bless you.
Ubalde Official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.